mommy, mommy. Ah, suelta el cable de mi cámara. Hey, Miss Cupcake, this video is for you. Well, yeah, it's for you. That I admire a lot that you do all those types of videos. You know, videos of yourself saying a lot of things, what you like or what you don't like. Um, well, I love the videos 5.5 girls. I like a lot Friday. She's my favorite, even though she's a bitch. She's so sexy. I'm not lesbian. She's that dang. She is. Um. Well, this is my first video I make saying this, talking, and well, it's hard, because I'm doing this. Yeah, I'm not sure what I'm doing. I'm just talking because I love your videos. I love every video you have made, even though I don't watch them a lot, but I do when I can. I try to look 5 videos in one day. And well, excuse me. Sorry, I sneezed. And well, I love your cat. He's so gorgeous. He's so lovely. And my little baby cat, Joy. The one you saw earlier in the video. And well, I wish you could do more videos. And right now my cat is gonna jump. I mean, look. Isn't he lovely and gorgeous? Yeah, he sometimes likes to wait. Look, all my scars, you see? Oh, it's hard to see my scars in this way because it's a little bit dark. But I have scars on my arms and my hands because of this little pretty little kitten. His name is Joy. Ah, leave a camera. And well, well, I wish you can see this video sooner and comment me or subscribe me. Nekomisha00. I love anime and I love your videos. I already said that. Oh well. See you later, Miss Cupcake. You keep rolling. You rock my world. In another word.